Hello everyone, welcome to Dare to Win classes. Today I will discuss the part 2 of January 2020 multiple choice question. In this class we will see 50 most important multiple choice question which will be important for your WBCS mains, SSC CGL and upcoming examination of State Public Service Commission. So let's start our class. The first question is, who dedicated the port anthem to Kolkata Port Trust at Netaji Indoor Stadium in Kolkata? We all know in the month of January, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has visited the state of West Bengal and he has only dedicated this anthem to Kolkata Port Trust. The answer will be 1B, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Okay, let us see our next question. On the dash celebration of Kolkata Port Trust, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated the port anthem at Netaji Indoor Stadium. So the answer will be on the 150th celebration of Kolkata Port Trust. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has dedicated the port anthem at Netaji Indoor Stadium. Okay, for the celebration of the Kolkata Port Trust 150th celebration. Okay, so let us move to our next question. Which of the following has set up a 5-year plan of formulation of National Strategy for Financial Inclusion NSFI for the period 2019 to 2024 under the aegis of Financial Inclusion Advisory Committee? So RBI has set up this 5-year plan of formulation of NSFI. Okay, please keep in mind, important question for the examination. Let us move to our next question. Which of the following fintech startup has been acquired by digital payment gateway provider PayU in India's largest fintech acquisition deal at a valuation of $185 million? The answer is PaySense have acquired this. It is a startup company. Okay, so please keep in mind. Let us see our next question. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January on birth anniversary. So we all know on 12th January we celebrate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda ji, and on that day we used to celebrate National Youth Day. Many a times it has been asked in examination, very important for examination. Okay, please keep in mind. Let us move to our next question. Which country has finished the year 2019 as the number one shooting nation in the world? So it is, yes, it is India only. India has finished as one of the shooting nations in the world. Okay, let us move to our next question. Which of the following day is observed as National Youth Day? So I've discussed just now, National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th of January. So the theme for National Youth Day is, I will write here, channelizing youth power for nation building. So we will be discussing more important questions. Okay, please see the full video. Okay, let us move to our next question. Name the longest serving ruler of Oman who recently passed away. So the longest serving ruler of Oman, the name is Qaboos bin Sayyid. He has been serving since 1970. Okay, so please keep in mind, very important question. Let us move to our next current affairs. Which port is now renamed as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port? So Kolkata Port has been renamed as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port. Okay, let us move to our next question. This question is very important for examination. Okay, please keep in mind. Indian Railways signed memorandum of understanding with dash for phase 2 of e-office execution. The answer is with Railtel. Okay, let us move to our next question. Who among the following union minister digitally launched the project Viswas and Cyber Ashtvast at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar? It has been launched by our Home Minister Amit Shah ji. For okay, let us move to our next question. Name the union minister who launched Yashwini scheme for women entrepreneur in Goa. It has been launched by Smriti Irani. Also, she has launched Swasthya Saki project and breast cancer screening project also inaugurated by her. Okay, let us move to our next question. As I have told you this only, Swasthya Saki project and breast cancer screen initiative was inaugurated by which of the following minister? This has been inaugurated by Smriti Irani. Okay, let us move to our next question. Where is the World Future Energy Summit 2020 held? So it has been held at Abu Dhabi. Very important question. Please keep in mind. World Future Energy Summit. Let us move to our next question. Tsai Ing-wen has won the second presidential term. From which country she belongs to? She belongs to Taiwan. Important. Let us move to our next question. After the death of Sultan Qaboos bin Sayyid, who has sworn is a new Sultan of Oman? I have discussed now only that he has been ruling since 1970s, and the new Sultan of Oman is, the answer is Haitham bin Tariq Al Sayyid. Okay, let us move to our next question. Robert Abiba has elected as new leader and prime minister of which of the following country? The answer is Malta. Okay, please remember in mind. Let us move to our next question. Flipkart co-founder and former CEO Sachin Bansal has reportedly acquired Dash for rupees 100 crore. So they have acquired DHFL General Insurance Company. Okay, Flipkart co-founder and owner CEO Sachin Bansal. Let's move to our next question. Who received the prestigious Polly Umbrigar Award for Best Indian International Cricketer for 2018-19 at the BCCI Annual Award held in Mumbai? The answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Okay, Best Indian. Let us move to our next question. I have also discussed the part 1 of January current affairs. I will give the link below. Please see that class also. It has 50 multiple choice question, very important for examination. Let us see our 20th question. Name the tennis player who has won the men's single title in the ATP club. So the answer is Novak Djokovic. He has defeated Rafael Nadal and he is from Spain. Okay, so he has defeated him and won the men's single title at ATP club. Let us move to our next question. Name the veteran national award winner Odia filmmaker known as father of the new wave Odia cinema who passed away recently. The answer is Manmohan Mohapatra. Okay. The important obituary because he is a national award winner, Odia filmmaker, known as the father of the new wave Odia cinema. So please remember this. It can be a part of examination. Let us move to our next question. Armed Forces Veteran Day is observed on 14th of January. Okay. Let us move to our next question. 5-day joint exercise Sahyog Kajin between India and, can you tell me the answer? Yeah, the answer is Japan. I have discussed all military exercises video also. If you want to see that class, please see that class. I have discussed each and every country in full detail, that how they used to undergo military exercises, navy exercises. If you want to see, I will give the link below. You can see that video also for a clear concept. Let us move to our next question. Which British India Yoga champion has won the Global Child Prodigy Award? The answer is Ishwar Sharma. He is only 10 years old. Okay, he is a 10 years old boy. He is from United Kingdom and he has got the Indian Yoga Champion Global Child Prodigy Award 2020. So this is what 2020 only. Okay, we are discussing January 2020 question. Okay, January 2020. Okay, for spiritual discipline in yoga, he has got this award for spiritual discipline in yoga. The important name, he is a British Indian champion. Okay, let us move to our next question. Whom among the following has been appointed as Director General of CRPF? The answer is AP Maheshwari ji, okay, Director General of CRPF. Important question. Who among the following has been appointed as new 4th RBI Deputy Governor? The answer is Michael Patra. Important question. New 4th RBI Deputy Governor. Who will become the first woman parade adjutant for the Republic Day parade? The answer is Tania Shergill. She will be leading the women parade at Republic Day. Let us move to our next question. Which Indian monument has been included in Shanghai Corporation 8 Wonders of SCO list? The answer is Statue of Unity, Gujarat, the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is approximately 182 meters. It can also be asked in examination. That's why I have included here. Let us move to our next question. Which zone of Indian Railway signed a MOU with State Bank of India for doorstep banking for direct pickup of earnings? The answer is South Central Zone. So question number 30. India flagship global conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics Raisana Dialogue 2020 began in which of the following city? The answer is it began in New Delhi. Let us move to our next question. Name the Minister of State for Development of Northeast region who inaugurated the digital exhibition on history of Constitution of India. So the answer is Jitendra Singh. Please keep in mind. Let us move to our next question. Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji, launched which program, an annual 1 month long People Central Fuel Conservation Mega Campaign of PCRA? The answer is Saksham. He has launched Saksham. Okay, please keep in mind. Let us move to our next question. Who among the following has been elected as the new president of Guatemala? The answer is Alejandro Giamatti. Okay. Please keep the name in mind. New president of Guatemala. Which district received Swachhata Darpan Award 2019 for the best performing district on key Swachhata parameters? The answer is Puri, Odisha. Let us move to our next question. Army Day is celebrated every year on. It is celebrated on 15th of January. Okay, please keep in mind. Let us move to our next question. Who became the 28th Chief of Army Staff recently? Very important question. The answer is Manoj Mukund Naravne. Let us move to our next question. Name the person who inaugurated 7th Conference of Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India region in the Legislative Assembly building in Lucknow on 68th January. So it has been inaugurated by our Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla ji. Okay, please keep in mind. Let's move to our next question. Which union territory hosted the first ever food processing summit to attract investors to the region? The answer is Ladakh. So it is the first union territory to host first ever food processing summit. Okay, so please keep in mind. The 5th edition of Science Film Festival of India SCIFFI 2020 was started on 5th January in which state? So it is started in Panaji, Goa. Please keep in mind Science Film Festival of India. Okay. Our next question is name the Prime Minister of Russia who resigned recently after his president's suggestion constitutional amendment to boost power. Okay. The answer is Dmitry Medvedev. He is the Prime Minister, not the President. Okay. Let us move to our next question. The Government of India and the Government of Assam signed a loan agreement of $88 million for implementation of Assam Inland Water Transport Project with very important question, World Bank. Okay. If it is our examination, it can be a part of examination. For Assam Inland Water Transport Project, they have signed with World Bank. Okay. Loan agreement of $88 million. Okay. Let us move to our next question. Who has won the ICC ODI Cricketer of the Year award at ICC 2019? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Okay, very important question. Cricketer of the Year Award, ICC. Who has won ICC Test Player of the Year Award, ICC Award 2019? The answer is Pat Cummins. Okay. Test Player of the Year Award, Test Player. Russian Duma, lower house approves Dash as the new Prime Minister. So, new Prime Minister is Mikhail V. Mishutin. Please keep in mind. 45 number question. Which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the IUCN to red list orchids? The first state to do the listing, this is the first state to do this, Arunachal Pradesh. Please keep in mind. And it has brought IUCN to red list orchids. Okay. Let us move to our next question. Name the Union Minister who inaugurated the exhibition on Indian heritage in digital space. The answer is Prahlad Singh Patel. Let us move to our next question. Who will host the 19th Council of Head of Government of the SCO in 2020? The answer is it will be hosted by India. Let us move to our next question. The 18th meeting of SCO Council of Head of Government was held in? The answer is Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Our next question is United Nations lowers India's GDP forecast for financial year 20 to 5.7%. Okay. Our last question is who among the following has been appointed as the director of the National Book Trust NBT? So Lieutenant Colonel Yuvraj Malik has been appointed as the director of National Book Trust. So thank you for watching the session. I will be coming with part 3. Stay connected. Thank you.